So far, we have 27 keywords. Whenever you are doing keyword research, you would always want to make a list of the synonyms and run a search on those as well. In this case, there are no synonyms for twin mattress. Double beds are not the same as twin beds, and so that's not a synonym. However, we decided to put keywords related to twin mattresses and twin XL mattresses into the same silo. So we now need to find long tail buyer keywords related to twin XL mattresses. Let's go to SEMrush and do that now. Let's use the tool SEO Keyword Magic to list all keywords that contain twin XL. Now, let's find keywords that begin with the word best. We have already evaluated the keyword difficulty scores of these three keywords, and they're already in our list here. Let's now find keywords that end in review or reviews. There are no keywords that meet our search criteria. Let's now search for long tail buyer keywords, ones that contain for, with, versus, or under. Let's start with finding keywords that contain for. There are a few keywords that are displayed here. Let's put the ones we want to check keyword difficulty scores for into a notepad and evaluate the keyword difficulty. Let me pause the video while I prepare the notepad file. Here's the notepad file. Let me pause the video while I evaluate the keyword difficulty of each of these phrases. This is the only keyword that meets our criteria. The difficulty score is 30. The exact match domains are all taken, but the top 10 is not very well optimized. So this is not a particularly hard keyword to rank for. So we now have 28 keywords. Let's now find keywords that contain with. There's only one phrase that contains with. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty score of this one. The keyword difficulty score is 22, which means this is an easy phrase to rank. The exact match domains are all taken, but the top 10 are not optimized. What you would also want to see is there are so many results here with page authority 1 and they have no backlinks. That's always a good sign. Most of these are authority domains, but with a very relevant site, you will be able to break into the top 10. Let's save this one. Let's now check phrases that contain verses. There are a few here. Let's find the keyword difficulty scores of these. This is a really easy phrase. It has a difficulty score of 20 and it gets 1900 searches a month. Let's save this one. Let me evaluate the difficulty scores of the rest of these phrases. This was the only phrase from this list that we could use. We will now find words that contain under. There are no keywords that match our search criteria. We now have 30 keywords. In the next video, we will see how to scrape buyer keywords from top ranking sites.